2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, clock, power door locks, CD player, power windows, side airbag, tachometer, overhead console, dual zone climate control, intermittent wipers, power outlets, sunroof. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.